Let's learn family jobs. In the classroom.
Morning, everyone.
Morning, teacher.
Morning.
Today, I want you to tell me about your family and what they do for work. First, Susie.
Okay. My dad works at the police station. He is a policeman. He protects us. My mom is a housewife. She works at home. She looks after us. My uncle is a fireman. He works at the fire station. He fights fires.
Thank you, Susie. How about you next, Sandy?
All right. My mom is a teacher. She works in a school. My dad is an engineer. He works in a factory. My auntie works at the airport. She is a pilot.
Thank you, Sandy. Very interesting. Sam, can you tell us what your family do?
My mom and dad are farmers. They work on a farm. My auntie is a nurse. She works in the hospital and looks after people. My uncle works in the hospital too. He is a doctor.
Thank you, Sam. I think farmers are the most important workers because they make sure we eat.